Where could we put in there? in. When we talk about sounds, the only way to really understand sound is to compare them. If two sounds are exactly the same, then it's one sound, right? So every two sounds have something that's different. 的有声无声，么呢？有声还是无声？所以 b 跟 m 是什么不一样？音是哪里来的？这边，但是这边有懂吗？音可以出来吗？Okay. Shoelaces are important. 音是这边出来的吗？音是哪里出来？这边没有动。所以音是哪里出来？ Yeah, from your nose. The nose sound comes out. The sound comes from here and here, but where does it come out? To have sound, there needs to be air, right? And that means the air has to come out. 没有鼻子，没有音 right? So, 鼻音，鼻音。所以它是什么音？干嘛？ Let me ask you something else. 第一个音，第三个音，前面的音，后面的音，一样不一样？ Try again. The first sound and the last sound. Room opinions. No, it's just a little more. That's it. 这个两个音是不一样的。怎么可能？是一样的音。对，这边有一样的音，是一个音，但是有两个音法。是一个用 clap， 可以用 an， 也可以用 right？ 这个的音是一样的。 所以，它呢？红 ，yeah, it's the same sound. The only problem is with some sounds, most languages have a hard time starting or stopping with them. 所以没有很多的语言可以用它第一个音。There are some languages that can. Italian can. In Italian, we have words that start with the ng. Fascinating. There are sounds that can start a word or end a word. We need to remember the most important idea of a syllable, 音节最重要的是 moving, okay? 但是 moving 也可以用不同的上段. We have different possibilities, okay? One big problem with our sounds at the ends of words in English 跟你们有点像，是有半母音，也有半的音节。这个字几个音节 ？Alright. How do we say this? Bottle. If we say it as 2 syllables, bottle. Then yeah, 2 syllables. 因为有2个母音，所以有2个音节。But if we say it as bottle, alright. The problem here is the same problem in Chinese. 有中文的字没有母音，怎么可能？是是一个字，是一个音节，没有母音，不可能。The problem is you need to understand how these work. When we use a word like 吃，那个吃后面有一个母音。You don't write it out, but there is a sound here. It's like the sound but you don't write it down. Because you don't really need to. You understand that the sound should be there. 问题是有很多人不了解，这边有一个音，有很多人觉得它的音真的是吃，后面有这个没有，它的音是 ch， 所以后面有一个母音 ，OK。重要的是了解，所以可以问。If you can understand more, then you can ask more. Like this. This is what? All of this here. All of this fits in here. What other sounds could go there then? If we look at these sounds, and we ask again how they're different, 有声的 b， 有声的 有声的 跟是什么不一样的？ 跟是什么不一样？ How are those sounds different? We make them in the same place, right? And are in the same place. 都是无声的，都是这边做的，所以是什么不一样的？ How are they different? We can start with something easier. 它跟它什么不一样？这个两个音。它是比较简单的。是 you have to curl your tongue back. 所以它是一样的日，有声的 right? 但是这个两个不一样。How are they different? 有很多台湾人不了解这个问题，因为来台湾的时候，我问人问出我I asked people to help me to count, to learn the numbers. 1、2、3。有人说1、2、3、4，我有说7、8、9、10、4。还有人说1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。所以哪一个是对？4跟4，还是10跟10，还是？Yes, and then we have the 40 stone lions. Right. Okay. It's an important problem, but it's also a problem in Chinese. 是中文的问题。所以 需要了解，对不对？是重要了解。所以呢，它们是什么不一样的 ？How are these sounds different？ 教我 teach me。是跟是。什么不一样？Anybody？ 你们的语言，所以呢，是跟是不一样。I always use the same story because I find it amusing. So I will show you my little car story. Okay. 有老师的车子，有学生真讨厌这个老师，因为老师说不可以用手机，所以学生要回家。